Welcome, I'm Belle and I'm glad you found my channel. So I have grabbed some stuff from my stash. I know I want to use a heart, and this is actually some advertisement which I think has a beautiful color and I can reuse parts of it. I'm gonna make a heart. And I also want to use some wings with the heart, and I think I go for these wings. Or maybe this. Now I think I go for this. They're gonna split it, because I only need the wings, not the butterfly. So it's gonna go something like that. Yep, I'm liking it. Sure what I want to use as a background. In a way I think those things would look cool together, but maybe it is a little bit too busy. But I could tone it down with gesso, in fact. I think I do that. And this is a really old map which has still those fabric on the back, and I think I'm gonna expose a little bit more of that, just because I can. Kind of like the idea. So that's gonna go something like that, and that maybe somewhat here. Okay, and then I go over with gesso. Okay, put that aside to dry, and I want I'm not sure if I can add it to the heart. Maybe it's a little bit too big. We'll see. I'm gonna cut it out anyway. So I have cut it back. I don't think you need to see that. I gotta go over a little bit with gesso. And actually I don't remember what I did use for this embossed thingy, so I don't know whether it reacts with water or not. We'll see, we'll figure it out. Okay, I would love to use this compass. I think I need some pop dots. Now I want first to outline it with black. And I have a little bit of glue here. Let's see if I can get rid of it. Somewhat. I also want to add black lines here, which is really tough. It's so small. And you probably can't see it in the camera. I could come a little bit in. Just a tiny little line, but it makes the word popping a little bit more. Okay. See if that helps. Clean my heart. Okay, that should work. And where's the other? Again, trying to add an outlining. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, why not hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notification whenever I have a new video up. I usually have 2 videos per week, all around mixed media, art journaling, collage, assemblage and everything else that sparks my interest. I hope to see you soon in one of my next videos or somewhere online. Find all my social media links down below in the description.